Hey guys, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Rukia Laltia. Let's learn how to make this tasty and easy prawns biryani, which was inspired by this lady called Suhaifa. So take your prawns, sprinkle some salt, some black pepper, 2 tablespoons of garlic paste, and squeeze some lime juice. Mix your prawns very well and place them aside. Then we're going to prepare our vegetables because we want this biryani to be amazing. We don't want a boring biryani. So take your carrot. I've used 2 large carrots, peel and then cut the carrots into long strips like so. Then I'm going to use frozen vegetables. I've used the frozen peas and then the green peas as well, and then I'm going to use a half a can of corns. And then take your onions, 2 large onions, and cut them into slices. So once all the veggies are ready, it's high time to fry all our veggies. I'll start by frying the veggies into batches. I'll start to fry the carrots and the green peas. Once ready, place it aside, and then you're also going to fry the corns and the peas for a couple of minutes. Once ready, place aside. Then take your onions and also fry them until you get this nice golden brown color. Once ready, put it aside. And lastly, you're going to fry our prawns until you get that nice golden brown color like this. And your prawns are ready, and it's high time to make our biryani sauce. So to make this tasty biryani sauce, take a large pot, pour some oil, then add 2 tablespoons of garlic paste, some garam masala, turmeric powder, curry powder, paprika powder, cardamom powder, 1 cube of Maggi, black pepper, 1 tin of tomato paste, which is approximately 4 tablespoons, some salt to taste, and some lime juice. I ran out of fresh lime juice, so I had to use this bottle juice, but it's okay. And lastly, pour some water and let the sauce to cook for approximately 5 to 7 minutes. So once the sauce is ready and thick like so, this is the interesting part. You just have to put all the fried vegetables, the fried onions and the prawns, and mix everything well. You can even stop in making biryani because this thing tastes so good. I even had to put some aside because damn, it was so good. And once ready, you're going to make our rice. Lastly, we're going to make some rice. Making rice is so simple, and if you don't know how to make rice, please go out of my channel. Oh my god, sorry. I'm joking. Just put some water. I've used 4 cups of water, some bay leaves, some salt, and some oil. Let it to boil like so, and once ready, you're going to put your basmati rice or any rice that you like. Mix everything well and let the rice to cook until the water is completely dry and the rice of course is ready. And once ready, place it aside. I know you're getting tired. This is the easiest and interesting part. You can just let your kid do it because it's so fun. It's like just art. Just add some rice, then place the fried veggies and the prawns, then place some drop of orange food coloring, drizzle a bit of oil, repeat the same process, cover very well with some foil and place it in a preheated oven at 150 degrees Celsius for 20 to 30 minutes. And once ready, remove it from the oven, and it's high time to serve our biryani. And of course, I know at this point you're so hungry. Add the onions and let the biryani to cool down for like 10 minutes. Then it's high time of course to serve our biryani because I know you're so hungry. Mix the biryani very well like so, then place it in a hot pot and then serve it directly because I know you're hungry. Serve it with some chili and a cold drink. Oh my god, this biryani slaps so hard. It was so tasty, and I hope you guys are going to try out this recipe. And if you've enjoyed this recipe, please kindly do give this video a big thumbs up. Of course, subscribe and do share my videos, and see you next time. Bye bye.